everyone, welcome to Wisdom 360. With ISC reducing its syllabus for the academic year 2020-21, it becomes important to know what are the topics that have been reduced from class 12 syllabus. Let us have a look. In English, the topics that have been removed are To Build a Fire by Jack London and Birches by Robert Frost. Talking about computer science, we see that the topics that have been removed from computer science in class 12 in the section C are computational complexity, interfaces in Java, data structures, single linked list complexity and big O notation. Talking about the mathematics syllabus, we can see that binary operations and graphs of inverse trigonometric functions have been removed from the chapter Relations and Functions. From algebra, in matrices and determinant, we can see that concept of elementary row and column operations, applications of determinants in finding the area of triangle, consistency, inconsistency, and number of solutions of system of linear equations by examples have been removed. Also, the conditions for consistency of equations in 2 and 3 variables using matrices are not to be covered, and inverse of matrix by elementary operations is also not to be covered. The following points have been removed from calculus: continuity and differentiability, use of derivatives in approximation from application of derivatives, point of inflection from maxima and minima, definite integrals as a limit of sum, integration using partial fractions, integration of the type from the integrals. From definite integral as a limit of the sum has been removed. From differential equations, we can see that problems on velocity, acceleration, distance and time, population based problems on application of differential equations, problems of application on coordinate geometry have been removed. Random variable and its probability distribution, mean and variance of random variable, repeated independent trials and binomial distribution have been removed from probability. From vectors, position vectors of a point dividing a line segment in a given ratio is removed. From three-dimensional geometry, we can see that shortest distance between two lines, equation of plane through the intersection of two planes have been removed. As far as application of integrals is concerned, we can see that modulus function, trigonometric function, exponential functions and logarithmic functions have been removed. If we talk about application of calculus, the topics that have been removed are rough sketching of the following curves: AR, MR, R, C, AC, MC, and their mathematical interpretation using the concept of maxima and minima, and application involving integration and maxima and minima. From linear regression, we can see that scatter diagram, the method of least squares, angle between regression line and properties of regression lines have been removed. So those were the changes that have been made to the subjects common to both science and commerce stream. Now let us have a look at the changes that have been made in the subjects specific to science stream. Talking about physics, we can see that Earth's magnetic field and magnetic element have been removed from magnetism and matter. From ray optics and optical instruments, refraction of light at plane surface, total internal reflection and its application have been removed. Communication system has been removed completely, and as far as electronic devices is concerned, junction transistor and logic gates are the topics that have been removed. Taking a look at the syllabus of chemistry, we can see that the following topics have been removed from the chapter Solid State, Solutions, Electrochemistry, Chemical Kinetics, Surface Chemistry. From the chapter General Principles and Process of Isolation of Elements, the P block element, group 15, 16, 17 and 18, and the D and F block elements, following are the topics that have been removed. Topics removed from CO-ordination compound, haloalkanes and haloarenes, alcohol, phenol and ethers are the following. From aldehydes, ketones and carbolic acid, amines, biomolecules and polymers, following topics have been removed. And from chemistry in everyday life, topics like soap and detergents, cleaning action, structure, importance, advantages of detergents over soap, classification of soap and detergents have been removed. In the biology syllabus, we can see the given topics have been removed from the chapters reproduction, events in sexual reproduction, fertilization, flower structure, types of pollination, contrivances for prevention of self-pollination, post-fertilization events, human reproduction, reproduction health, genetics and evolution, molecular basis of inheritance, structure of eukaryotic chromosomes with reference to nucleosome, structure of eukaryotic chromosome with reference to nucleosome 1, Griffith's experiment, Avery, MacLeod and McCarthy's experiment, post-transcriptional processing in eukaryotes, evolution, human health and disease, strategies for enhancement in food production, plant breeding, microbes in human welfare, biotechnology and its application, ecology and environment, biodiversity and conservation, and environmental issues. Please see that only the given topics in the video have been removed and not completely these chapters. The remaining topics of these chapters are still in the syllabus, so you need to study them. As far as the subjects of commerce stream are concerned, let us have a look at the changes that have made in these. Regarding the syllabus of accounts, memorandum revaluation account, admission of partner during an accounting year, change in profit sharing ratio and accounting treatment of accumulated profit and loss through the single entry is no more there in the chapter admission of a partner. As far as the chapter retirement of a partner is concerned, profit on the basis of turnover, loan account, change in profit sharing ratio and accounting treatment of accumulated profit and loss through single entry is also not there. The chapter death of a partner has been completely removed and memorandum balance sheet has been removed from the chapter dissolution of partnership. Also, redemption of debentures by purchase in open market is no longer there in redemption of debentures. In the syllabus of economics, chapters like producers equilibrium and equilibrium of firm under perfect competition has been completely removed. In the chapter forms of market, equilibrium of firm in perfect competition under short run and long run is no more there. And in the chapter theory of income and employment, topics like investment multiplier, meaning of full employment, problems of excess and deficient demand and its corrections are no longer there. As far as the syllabus of commerce is concerned, the topics that are no more there are in the chapter sources of finance, distinction between bonus and right shares, merits and demerits of retained earning, advantages and disadvantages of various short-term sources of finance. From the chapter Principles of Management, relevance of principles of management in today's business world, comparison of Fayol's and Taylor's principles of management is no longer a part of the syllabus. Also, features and difference of types of plans is no more there in the chapter Planning. In the chapter Organizing, features, merits, demerits and difference between line and staff, functional and divisional, formal and informal, and comparison, merits and demerits of delegation and decentralization is no more there. Relationship between planning and controlling has been removed from the chapter controlling, and the chapter marketing has been removed completely from the syllabus of commerce. So these were all the topics that have been removed from the various subjects of class 12 ISC. Please note that only the topics that we have shown in this video are removed from the various chapters. The other topics are still there. So please study them and prepare well. Stay home, stay safe and stay happy. Thank you.